In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to change the network and internet settings on your CPPLus NVR, so you can access your cameras from anywhere. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect NVR to internet. First, make sure your NVR connected to internet router. Connect your laptop or desktop to same internet using Wi-Fi or wired connection. Open any web browser and access CPPLus NVR default IP address 192.168.1.245 or find NVR IP address using search option or quick user manual included with NVR. Use NVR login password to access settings. Now go to Manage, then click Network Settings from the menu. Press Edit option below Modify option to edit network settings. Now change IP address, subnet mask and default gateway as per your internet settings, and press OK button to save settings. Now scroll page and press OK button to save network settings, and wait while NVR applying new network settings. IP address is modified. Web page is refreshing. Once settings refreshed, now you can check NVR should be accessed with new IP address. And that's it. You've successfully configured the internet settings on your CPPLus NVR. You should now be able to access your surveillance system remotely from anywhere in the world. If this tutorial's helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.